I get there to meet this girl for hibachi, and she brings a friend with her, and she goes, hey, would it be cool if my friend just jumps in with us, hangs out? And I'm like, I guess. So I tell her, hey, do me a favor. Will you just box up my food real quick, and I'm going to go to the restroom? She goes, yeah, no problem. Guess where I went? I didn't go to the restroom. I went in my car and I went home.
And he texts me as I'm getting ready, like half an hour before. And he goes, I kid you not, word for word. All right, you shallow don't judge my car. I've had it since I was 18 and no one has a car in London.